Hello, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Happy Docker end day. Hopefully. I think this is going to be our last stream on the Docker course, or at least the last stream of creating the Docker course. I'm sure that there's going to be some bugs, some additions, some retractions, some like changes we'll have to make during it, but that's a different thing. That's a future problem. And if there's anything we've learned on this stream is that I love giving future me work that I don't have to do right now. So today is basically a light stream day. We're going to maybe record the, I guess like things we have to record. Let's actually jump into. Oh, right. We're still on yesterday's. What was that? There was another one I liked a little bit more than this one. I have to refine that because I updated the thing. Oh, was it Idawada Dark? It was Idawada Dark. That's what it was. Oh, that won't. Okay. Idawada Dark. So. Wait, do I have this? Yeah, I still had it open. It was in the I could undo to it. Perfect. All right. So, we pretty much have everything set up here. Now, I need to upload the articles. I need to add the videos to the articles. And then we also need to create sort of like an introduction. And so like these will be the videos. We need a trailer. We need an actual introduction. And then I think a thanks for watching at the very end. And then that would be it. So an introduction, this is actually going to be an article. So we have to write articles for these two. The trailer will just be a video, and I'll link to that for all social media. And I'll add that to LinkedIn and all the other places. Also, we have to figure out like what other social medias, because like my social media savvy is pretty low. I think the only ones that I've ever done anything on are X, Twitter, LinkedIn. And that's it. I don't think I have. I used to have a Facebook account. I think did I recreate one? I created a new Instagram account and I put like two shorts on there, and then like that nobody watched them, and I was like, maybe I might put Zilby photos up there eventually. Let's see. I don't think I've really done anything with anybody else. And that's that. Okay, so oh yeah, and then all of these are going to be, we have to add the videos to them and then upload them into the LMS. Okay, so reset. Den, hello. How are you doing today? All right, trailer. What do I want to put into the trailer? Basically, like a problem, it'd be a problem statement, and then a like something else. Oh, and let's actually let's go to Canva. Open up all of these. So this will just be Introduction to Docker, a new course by Brooks Builds. And then, I don't know, should I just chat in front of this or in front of the LMS or in front of, the Docker website might be a good one. We need Docker's website. Yeah, so okay, I could just put this up like that. It will be full screen, so that'd be good there. Why do you go away? Okay, so I think we're good to go with this. I just need to figure out what to say. So I think with the trailer, what are we going for? It's gonna be it's usually a problem statement and then a call to action. So obviously, like at the very end, we have a call to action, which is go visit the LMS, buy the course. So we should probably have like, okay, well, you can go visit the LMS, and I'll have a link to the LMS in the video description too. Problem statement. So the problem is you don't know Docker, but you want to learn it. Why do you want to learn it? So you want to learn Docker because it will allow you to, it's good. I guess like, okay, this course takes you through the initial setups of Docker all the way through working. Okay, so it allows you to, Docker allows us to work better in teams, and Docker allows us to work better in teams and with I guess like allows us to work with technology, allows us to work with tech without installing it. I guess like I could use sandboxing. So work with tech, work with without installing it to our system, but rather sandbox it. Then we want to ensure that all team members have the same environment. Duplicating production. And then is there any like last ones? Like I guess that those are the big ones that I think that especially those are the ones that I sort of like teach. So that's the why. And then finally, what this course gives you. Getting set up with Docker, using Docker to build a project, and oh yeah, and then we have these. Okay, so I should probably using Docker to build a project, and then some advanced stuff with, like, I guess those two things. Call to action, visit the LMS by the course. Okay, so that to me lets me know that I have to actually like get this up there. So our to do for the day. Tasks. We need to record. I mean, do I actually need the introduction? Because we just have like the installing where it's like, hey, thanks for buying the course. So maybe I don't. Maybe just go with it. But I don't know. I kind of feel like we need a. I feel I need an introduction to it. So record. Write introduction article. Record introduction video. We want to write end article. Write end video. I want to upload add videos to articles. And then upload articles to LMS. Record trailer. And then I want to share on social media. Oh, you know what? Probably not share on social media. Probably at this point in time, I want to give I want to do like 1 week before I launch it. So in here, we're going to do, so after I upload the articles to LMS, I want to maybe like give 1 to 3 out to beta testers. After we get time for any feedback, we want to integrate any of that feedback in. So then it would be record the trailer after that. Set up Stripe payments. Test payments. I guess that's part of setup payments, is making sure that they actually work. And then release trailer, post to the socials. That's gonna be the plan. So obviously that's a lot. I do have a hard stop. I think I mentioned I have a hard stop at 1 p.m. today, which means that I won't get through all of this. I think that I think like a decent amount of this is gonna have to be afterwards, because I don't want to like do why is added in progress again? That's weird. That didn't say it was at. Okay, I think that's Twitch being weird now. Yeah, okay. Ad manager was just literally showing me an ad that doesn't exist. Cool. Love that. Why did I lose? Oh, I was on the wrong screen. That's what it was. Okay, this is much better. So I would guess that we're going to get through maybe at least these, hopefully the rest of these, but like these ones don't really matter. And then the rest of it, I'll be getting out the beta test stuff to people on Discord. So if you're interested in like beta testing the course as I create them and get them out, that's where to go there. Oh, which reminds me, before I release that, I need to create Discord channel for course, because we are doing one channel per course. All right, cool. So I think we're good to go here, which means let's write our introduction article. Now, can I actually like just make this up? So can I say something like, change this Docker for web development. I want you to be maybe introduction. Oh, okay. I try to say like go to it. That would have been really nice, but no, I can't do that. I can copy you. All right. This will be introduction to the Docker course. There's no video. I guess there would be a video for this. So thanks for purchasing the introduction to Docker course. Let's see. I don't want to say like that. I want to say something like, if you aren't a member, the Brooks Builds Discord, We highly encourage join at okay. So there's those two things. During this course, we'll be covering the introduction to Docker. We highly recommend you follow along if you can. I just follow along on your own system. All right. Okay, so there's that. I think that should be good. I highly recommend you follow along on your own system. Thanks again. And happy Dockering. That's not a word, but I usually say like happy coding, but that's not really what it is this time. So I guess that's just the quick introduction. Now, if I wanted to record this as a video, I want to show off. Okay, so I'm in streamer mode on Discord. This should show. Like I have course help, but that's not really, that's like a generic course help. We have like SQL, Xcourse. I should just create the text channel now. So let's just do, this is gonna be introduction to Docker. It's gonna be a private channel. Add members or roles. I guess none right now. I'll have to add that later. So now we can have like, okay, welcome to welcome to the introduction to Docker. So I can mention that. And I think we're good to go on recording this. What do we have here? A new, I guess we could just use this same one and it'll be fine. Oh, and I probably want to have you full screen. That'll be good. Want to turn off Twitch alerts, which I never really turned back on. And then you're going to be the next thing here. Okay. All right. Oh, I should probably take this, move that over there so I can actually see what I'm talking about. All right, let's do this. Oh, no Zilbicam. Should I just be in front of this? Maybe I should. Hold on. Maybe I can just make myself bigger. That works, right? All right. Let's we'll try this and give it a shot. Here we go. Thank you so much for purchasing the Introduction to Docker course on Bricks Builds. I'm hoping that you're going to have a great time learning Docker, and you'll be able to improve your skills, get a new skill, and hopefully be able to apply this at work and improve your own projects. Now, a couple little things. First off, if you have any problems or any issues with the course, please reach out to me. There's several different ways that you can get in touch with me, and I have that in the LMS itself. You can reach out to me using, X Twitter or Twitch DM or YouTube messages on. But probably the best way is on Discord. And we've created a Discord channel just for this course. So if you purchase this and during the checkout process, there's a little area where you can put in your Discord username. If you had joined Brooks Builds and you put in your Discord username, I will be giving you that role. Hopefully you should have it now or very momentarily. And then that will get you into this channel here. And then any questions that you have, this is a perfect place to ask them. And if you have any problems, also go ahead and let us know as well. And we'll do our best to fix them and respond to them. And that's it. I wish you the best of luck during the course. Have fun and happy learning. All right. That should be good. I should probably not be this big. That's really big. I feel like that's really big. This might even be bigger than it was before, but it's okay. Why? Okay, so I somehow broke my rectangle. Oh yeah, why is this not working? Why can't I move you? Oh, that's weird. I have why did rectangle break? I don't know. Okay. But I think that was decent. So that's this. Let's go ahead and bring this. Nope, rectangle doesn't work. I can't do any of my shortcut keys. Coffee, hello. How are you doing today? I know, no Zilby for the recording. I'm one of these days, I wonder if we'll get to the point where the community will be like, no, we like, it's okay. Just have Zilby in the recording. It'll be fine. Like maybe we'll get to that point someday, and then we'll just like, okay, Zilby will be in there. But Skimmus, hello. How are you doing today? All right, so you're done here. So that's recorded, but I don't have the video added in, so that's good. So I have to deal with that. End is gonna be next. So we want a new thanks for taking the Docker, the introduction to Docker, or maybe we'll just call it introduction to Docker again. It's crazy that it's crazy that macOS has almost nothing for window management. I know. It's crazy that the amount of flack that they get is almost nothing. Like Windows and like Linux has had really good window management forever, so they don't really get any flack for that. Windows gets tons of flack for its management, although they have it at the very least, right? Like, now I do agree that some of it is like a little bit questionable about like movements. Like, I'm not really a big fan of the Windows key and the arrows moving it around, and then like things pop up when I don't expect them to, which is not great, but it works. It's there and it works. And you have to install third-party tools in Mac. It's like, come on. The mouse handling is also so weird when you have both a touchpad and an actual mouse. Yes, I wish that I could have natural scrolling for a touchpad and just normal scrolling for the mouse. It's completely unnatural for a mouse. But it's like, oh wait, why wouldn't people buy the Magic Mouse, right? Yeah. Extremely popular third-party tools exist for that. Yeah, they do. I like for window. Oh wait, is this working now again? Okay. Now it's working again. I don't know why rectangle didn't work for like a minute or two. That was weird. Okay, so and that's it. We're done. We're done with the course. There is unnatural scroll wheels is what I've used on your work Mac. Okay, I might have to look at that sometime. All right. Unnatural scroll wheels. Sorry, Zilby. Yeah, I do like rectangle for the window management. And I remember I was hanging out with my boss one time and he was like, okay, hey, you should check this thing out. I installed this thing that allows me to do window management. It lets me do this, this, and this. I'm like, oh, have you looked at rectangle? And then he just looks at me, he was like, oh, this is really cool and it's free. I'm like, yeah. And he's like, oh, the one I got I had to pay for. And it doesn't have as many features. I'm like, okay. You should have asked me first. Sorry. Okay, so that's it. We're done with the course, and we hope that you have gained confidence and the knowledge to use Docker in your day-to-day life as a developer. You will continue to have access to this course as long as you have an account, which you don't have a way to delete the account without requesting it. So I'll just say you will continue to have access to this course and its videos. I guess that is implied. Oh, and the Discord channel. Please continue to utilize it for as long as you need. We recommend you continue practicing and using Docker as much as possible to what is it called, to get like muscle memory is like for physical actions. What's the like the mental version of muscle memory? To internalize as much ball to internalize Docker and make it ingrain in your mind. Oh, to ingrain it in your mind. I like that. That's a good one. Okay, so to ingrain Docker and its commands into your mind so that it becomes second nature. Thanks again for taking the course, for completing the course. And happy coding. Okay. Again, a nice and like easy and simple one. And then I think for this, I don't want to go into there. Maybe we'll just stay on here. So you become big. I think I just stay on this one again. This one is probably good enough for it. All right, so cat cam off. Make me big again. I should have one. I should have like a camera scene or something. I want to redo my OBS stuff because like I haven't really spent like that much time like setting it up and looking at some of the other streamers. Like there's so many cool things that they're able to do, and I want to be able to do that too. So anyways, I think that'll be it. So let's do this. And that's it. Thank you so much for taking the Introduction to Docker course. I really hope that you're able to get everything out of it that you need, that you want, and that you're able to continue your Docker journey, maybe going beyond introduction and using it in whatever ways you want to in the future. As just sort of like to let you know, you're gonna continue to have access to this course as long as you need it, and also the Discord channel, that private Introduction to Docker Discord course channel. So please feel free to utilize them as much as you want, and if you want to like help out anybody else who has questions, that is an excellent way of ingraining all of the learnings into your mind by, essentially helping out with it. And either way, I hope that you remain in the community and you hang out with us. We'd love to continue to have you. So with that, have a great rest of your well, I guess not the course anymore, but we will see you whenever the next time is. Bye. All right. That'll be that. And grain gives you squiggly lines. I have not run my spell checker over this, so I should do that. Let's do that really quickly. I spell what is it? Introduction and ending. Let's do introduction. What's ignore? Ignore a space? No, except the word this time only. Okay. Dockering. I mean, I know it's except it is not a real word. That's okay. Okay, and then the other one is I spell ending. Docker end. Oh yeah, and grain. Can I do this trick? No. Okay, so there is an end grain. Firmly fix or establish a habit, belief, or attitude. Wait. Is this how to pronounce it? Or is it actually ingrain? Oh, it's ingrain. Also engrain. Oh, okay, so insert. All right, cool. It likes it. Yeah, so apparently the Mac, so both are correct. The Mac dictionary that I have does not have engrain with an E, but both are correct because they both in a dictionary point to each other, which is lovely. You've only ever seen the ingrain spelling before? Oh, I wonder if it's another I bet this is another regional thing. Usually whenever there's like a weird spelling thing like that, where it's like the most famous one that I'm aware of is a color and color, like COLOR or COLOUR. And then in America it's the LOR. And then I think it's in Britain that it's LOUR, or is that also like that? No, that's English, right? Like that's Britain English or England English. Engrain, less common spelling for ingrain. Okay. Thank you. um Since I say N verbally, I'm inclined to run it as engrain, but I'm not a native speaker of English. Well, apparently. Oh, this is a great. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. Engrained versus ingrained. A man must be a great fool who can't spell a word more than one way. That quote about English spelling, which has been attributed to several different people, including Mark Twain and Andrew Jackson, applies to engrained and ingrained. You can spell this word in multiple ways. Cool. And it also looks like a bunch of people have like invented reasons of like how to use them differently. But I want to go with the dictionaries, which are like they literally mean the same thing and they're just different ways to use it. Oh, okay. Is engrain the oldest one and ingrain is the newest one? Oxford. Ultimately, it's just English is weird because we use engrave and not engrave. Yeah, that's true. Oh, dark mode. You screw this up. Okay, so I'm going to change it to ingrain because that is the more common one. Okay, so those are those, and I think the trailer I'll save until like it's completely up. So let's see. The trailer won't be like an article, so we'll be fine there. So let's see. Tasks. Okay, so we wrote introduction article, we recorded that, we wrote the end article, and we recorded the end video. I can, before I forget for another like 3 weeks, oh, Twitch alerts I turned on and then I forgot to turn off. So those are just, nobody did anything to like, I hope not. Mayor's D, you followed me 15 minutes ago. I hope that didn't show up in a video, but it doesn't matter. I'll it won't matter. Nobody will care. It's the introduction and the end. All right. So getting set up with Docker. Okay, so we do all that. So now, okay. So next up, add the videos to your articles. So what I want to do for each of these is go into them, and we're going to have a video section so people can watch the videos here. And what we've learned is that I can embed the videos in the same way that you embed normal images. How did I do this? Yes, I can actually literally just use the iframe that you get in YouTube. So this will be fine. So over here, I want to go to YouTube Studio. Please update content. Oh, Batman. A 3-stream streak. Thank you so much, Batman. That's awesome. And you had change Helix theme. Oops. We don't have an oops theme. Wait, do we have an oops theme? That would be hilarious if there was an oops theme, because I would hold you accountable to that. But there's no oops theme. So I'll use, okay, so Groovebox Dark Soft. So Groovebox Dark Soft. What do you think? It's like, it feels brighter than the other one, but not like unreadable brighter. So we'll try this for at least 10 minutes. So thank you for that, Batman. All right, YouTube Studio, I want to search for videos. I want visibility, unlisted. Okay, and I have all of these in here. So this one is installing Docker. Wait a second. Do I not have installing Docker? Did that not get in here? See, all the way down to Docker 2. And the, what? Okay, hold on. The interface for YouTube Studio and like finding all the courses is weird sometimes. I want filter Docker course. Oh, it was a different video. That's what the problem was. Okay, Docker course, installing Docker. So then I want, I think, okay, so get shareable link. I can't do that. Oh, weird. Okay, so I have to view on YouTube. Welcome. Mute it really quickly. Go to, where's the share button? Do they not let me do this anymore? Oh, why is this private? Hold on. Oh, you're unlisted. Okay, hold on. Now I'm confused. Oh, I never finished writing this stuff. Okay, that would explain that. Going through this checks, no monetization, no other stuff. Check. Okay, yep. Next. Visibility unlisted. There it is. Okay, so now I can see this. So I want to embed. I copy that and we just throw you in here like that. So that's how this works. Okay, so then we can close. Mark you as done. So I have to do that now to everything. Fun. Now can I close? Okay, so can I take all of these things? So go to the end, search for I want to search for that. There we go. Okay, so I have 28 selections, which I have 28 videos. That's fine. Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, search, select for that, go out, delete. Okay, cool. Now I can just go to the end and come back and we'll do running. Okay, so 2, running your first container. That's next. List Docker images. I feel like the order of this changes. That's weird. Go in there. So this is find and pull. Okay, so that's 4. Almost forgot what like video was. What was I doing? Let's see. This is update. Okay, so it's you. So that was 6. So we want 7, which is list Docker containers. Wait. Yeah, I just did that one. Delete a Docker container. Okay. It had the video in there too. I was like, what is going on? Okay, so 9 will be daemon mode. Oh, I need to bring Zilly back. That's important. Okay, so that was 10 connecting to a running Docker container. Oh, ad break just started? I didn't even see that starting. That's okay. I think we can... We're not doing anything all that interesting right now, so... So 11 is stop a running Docker container. Start stopped Docker container.